ATiC, the Assistive Technologies Innovation Centre, is part of the Accelerate programme. ATiC's specific areas of expertise are involved with user experience measurement and understanding the needs of people through design research methods. First case study that I'd like to present is about our relationship and collaboration with the charity Cerebra. We're working with the Cerebra Innovation Centre to develop a process for scanning the heads of children who have brain conditions, and these conditions have affected the growth and development of their skulls. As a result of this, they're unable to get protective headgear, which enables them to engage in activities like horse riding. What ATiC is doing is supporting Cerebra to develop a new way of scanning the children's heads, so it's less stressful for the children and it's easier to implement that process at a distance. So rather than the children having to come to Swansea, we can do it in a way which is more appropriate for the children. The second case study I'd like to present is our work with eHealth Digital Media. This is a collaboration where we're looking at supporting the company to develop informative films which can support people who are living with dementia. In terms of support, that might be for the person with dementia, it may be for the carers, or it may be training for healthcare professionals. One of the key challenges that eHealth Digital Media have encountered is having the technology to enable them to communicate effectively how people living with dementia encounter problems during daily activities of living.
Tea is in here. Oh, that's coffee. There should be tea.
What ATiC have been able to provide is mobile eye tracking facilities which allow you to see from the person's perspective what they're looking at, how they're encountering those daily activities and how they respond to them. Through this collaboration, we've been able to develop some trial films with eHealth Digital Media which demonstrate the challenges that people living with dementia face on a day-to-day basis and potentially to unlock funding then to support the development of further content and potentially a new technology platform to enable this to be delivered. The creation of these films has enabled the company to access potential funding to build a portfolio of informative films and content which will be able to be communicated to other people, potentially carers or training healthcare professionals.